Hey there viewers, and welcome back to another video. In the world of nutrition, one thing has become clear. Not all fats are created equal. Some are considered dietary villains, while others are essential for our well-being. Today we will explore 6 foods that are high in healthy fats. Quality matters just as much as quantity. Are olives a good choice? What about eggs and avocados? We cover this and more. Don't miss the end of the video to find out what high-fat drink you can include in your daily diet. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. The idea of healthy fats might still raise an eyebrow or two, but scientific research has proven the opposite. There are high-fat foods that offer a wide range of health benefits. These include promoting heart health and brain function, supporting weight management, and immune strength. Now let's find out what high-fat foods can be part of a balanced and nourishing lifestyle. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados have earned their reputation as a superstar among healthy high-fat foods. They are high in monosaturated fats, which have been linked to improved heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. Having too much cholesterol in your body is bad for your heart because it can block your arteries and cause heart attacks or strokes. Studies have found that eating more monounsaturated fats can help lower both cholesterol and triglyceride levels. One entire medium-sized avocado contains roughly 240 calories, with 13 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of protein, and 22 grams of fat. They are cholesterol-free and have low sodium levels. Beyond healthy fat content, avocados are a nutrient powerhouse. They are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion, helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, and supports a healthy gut. Fats in avocados provide a feeling of satiety, making them a smart choice for those looking to manage their weight and control hunger throughout the day. Eating 1/3 of a medium avocado gives you 80 calories and supplies almost 20 vitamins and minerals. These include vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and B vitamins, such as folate. They provide a good source of potassium, which is important for maintaining proper muscle and nerve function, as well as regulating blood pressure. Because avocados are versatile, they can be enjoyed in numerous ways. As a creamy spread on toast, a delightful addition to salads, a satisfying guacamole dip, or even blended smoothies for an extra dose of richness and nutrition. Number 2. Olives. Olives have been a culinary staple in various cuisines for centuries. But did you know that they also come with a range of health benefits? Olives have a fat content ranging from 11% to 15%, and a significant portion is made up of oleic acid. It is also a primary type of healthy fat found in olive oil. Oleic acid is associated with some impressive health perks, such as reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of heart disease. Research suggests that including olives in your diet may be beneficial for preventing osteoporosis, a condition that makes bones brittle and weak. Olives are also packed with vitamin E, which can contribute to healthier skin and bolster your immune system, helping you stay well. And let's not forget about the fiber, which aids in digestion and provides a sense of fullness, helping with appetite control and weight management. As an additional benefit, olives are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin E and various plant compounds. These antioxidants combat harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Whether you enjoy them as a savory snack, a topping for pizzas and salads, or a flavorful addition to Mediterranean dishes, olives provide a burst of flavor while contributing to a well-rounded, heart-healthy diet. Number 3. Nut butter. Beyond its creamy texture and nutty flavor, nut butter offers a range of nutritional benefits. Because it's rich in unsaturated fats, nut butter can potentially lower a person's LDL cholesterol levels. Maintaining healthy LDL levels is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. A study conducted in 2015 discovered that individuals who consumed a lot of nuts might have a decreased risk of dying from cardiovascular disease. One standout feature of nut butter is its substantial protein content, making it a satisfying and satiating option for those looking to maintain or build muscle. It's also a valuable source of plant-based protein and particularly appealing to vegetarians and vegans. Nut butter is also packed with dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling full longer. In addition to healthy fats, protein, and fiber, nut butter delivers an impressive array of essential vitamins and minerals. It's a rich source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative damage. Number 4. Fatty fish. If you're looking for a nutritional powerhouse, look no further. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are exceptional examples of healthy, high-fat foods that offer numerous health benefits. They are high in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, which are renowned for their heart protective properties. Regular consumption of fatty fish is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease by lowering triglycerides, decreasing blood pressure, and improving overall cardiovascular health. But that's not all. Fatty fish plays a role in brain health as well. DHA in particular is a critical component of brain tissue and is essential for cognitive function, memory, and mood regulation. Eating fatty fish has been linked to a lower risk of age-related cognitive decline and a reduced likelihood of depression and other mood disorders. Fatty fish are also a rich source of high-quality protein. For example, a 100-gram serving of salmon contains approximately 22 to 25 grams of protein, which is about half of the daily protein intake for an average person. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet is as easy as it gets, whether grilled, baked, or even canned. They offer a burst of flavor and a wealth of nutrients. If you want to learn more on what foods boost your brain function in addition to fish, check out our video. Moving on. Number 5. Eggs. Eggs have been long celebrated as a versatile and nutritious food that can be part of a heart-healthy diet. What's special about eggs is their rich content of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. We have already learned that they can lower LDL or bad cholesterol levels, promote cardiovascular health, and reduce the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Eggs also contain protein, making them a go-to choice for those looking to build muscle, repair tissues, and support their immune system. They're a great source of B12, vital for nerve function and red blood cell production. Plus, they provide vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and overall well-being. And for pregnant women, eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient that supports brain development, memory, and cognitive function. Both animal and human studies have found that adding more choline to a mother's diet during pregnancy can lead to better pregnancy results and protect against certain nerve and metabolic problems. So, whether you prefer them as a protein-packed breakfast, a satisfying omelet, or a tasty salad topping, eggs are a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. Number 6. Dark chocolate. This delicious treat is renowned for its high cocoa content, which is where many of its health-promoting properties reside. One of the most notable aspects of dark chocolate is its concentration of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids. They combat harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease. The flavonoids in dark chocolate have been associated with improved heart health by enhancing blood flow, reducing blood pressure, and enhancing overall cardiovascular function. Dark chocolate contains healthy fats, which can help improve cholesterol levels and support heart health. It can also be a source of magnesium, which plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including muscle function and relaxation. Remember that moderation is key when indulging in dark chocolate, as it can be calorie-dense. Select dark chocolate with a cocoa content of at least 70% for the most health benefits. Enjoy it in small portions as a satisfying treat. Check out our video on anti-inflammatory diet to find out more about the benefits of dark chocolate. Moving on to the bonus tip. A rich and creamy avocado smoothie is a prime example of a healthy, high-fat drink that delivers both indulgence and nourishment. Blending ripe avocados with Greek yogurt or almond milk creates a luscious and satisfying combo of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. The high-fat smoothie not only provides a lasting sense of fullness, but also supports digestive health and steady blood sugar levels. Add in a handful of berries for a touch of natural sweetness and antioxidants, and you have a drink that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also contributes to overall well-being. Enjoy it as a nutrient-packed breakfast or a post-workout refresher. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching Dr. Eats, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay well and eat right.